Garmin dashcam not recording? Common causes and quick fixes. Is your Garmin dashcam failing to record? Don't worry, it's a common issue. This video will guide you through the most frequent causes and simple solutions. From corrupted SD cards to power supply problems and incorrect settings, we'll cover the essentials. First, corrupted SD cards are a top culprit. Check for corruption and reformat if needed. Second, power supply problems can interrupt recording. Ensure stable power connection. Third, incorrect settings might disable recording. Verify your configuration. We'll cover the essentials to get your dashcam recording again. The fixes are generally user-friendly and often don't require professional assistance. The most frequent cause of recording failures in Garmin dashcams is a faulty or incompatible SD card. These issues often stem from outdated cards, low-quality storage, or improper formatting. First, ensure your microSD card meets these specifications. A Class 10 or higher speed rating for smooth video writing, capacity between 32 GB and 512 GB to avoid storage limitations, and proper formatting in FAT32 or exFAT file systems. This chart shows the minimum sequential write speeds required for different SD card classes. Higher speed classes, like Class 10 or UHS-1 U3, are essential for recording high-resolution video without interruptions. If your card seems functional but recording still fails, formatting can resolve corruption issues. Format directly in the dashcam settings menu or use your computer with FAT32 for cards under 32 GB or exFAT for larger capacities. FAT32 is suitable for smaller cards and ensures compatibility, while exFAT supports larger capacities and faster transfers. Always back up your data before formatting, as it will erase all content. Verify the card has sufficient free space, as a full card will stop recording. This chart shows storage capacity examples for photos and videos. If problems continue after formatting, test with a brand new, compatible SD card to isolate the issue. Once you've verified and tested your SD card, most recording failures should be resolved. If not, proceed to check power supply in the next section. Dashcams require a stable power supply to record video reliably. Voltage drops or interruptions can cause recording failures, leading to gaps in your footage. When power fluctuates, the camera may stop recording unexpectedly. This is why consistent power is essential for continuous operation. Securely connect the dashcam to the cigarette lighter socket or directly to the fuse box for reliable power. A loose connection can cause voltage interruptions. If recording fails, try a different cable or power outlet. This helps identify if the issue is with the connection or the power source itself. Built-in batteries provide power for parking mode monitoring, but are not sufficient for continuous driving recording. They typically last 30 to 60 minutes on newer Garmin models. Outdated firmware can contain bugs that affect recording stability in your Garmin dashcam. Outdated firmware can contain bugs that affect recording stability. First, check for the latest firmware updates through the Garmin Drive app. Alternatively, visit the Garmin website to find available updates. Install any available updates to resolve potential software-related issues. As of early 2026, the latest firmware addressed recording bugs, particularly for high-resolution video. Incorrect settings can prevent your Garmin dashcam from recording properly. Let's examine the key configuration options that need to be verified. First, verify that the recording mode is enabled on your dashcam. This fundamental setting allows the camera to actually capture and store video footage. Next, check the resolution settings. Garmin dashcams support resolutions from 720p up to 1440p. Higher resolution gives you clearer, more detailed video, which is important for capturing license plates or incident details. Third, verify the frame rate is set to 30 frames per second. This standard setting ensures smooth, fluid video playback and is optimal for most recording scenarios. Finally, ensure loop recording is active. This feature allows the dashcam to continuously record video in short segments and automatically overwrite the oldest footage when storage space runs low. To double-check all these settings, use the Garmin Drive mobile app. Connect your dashcam via Wi-Fi and navigate to the Settings menu to confirm each configuration option is set correctly. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve unexpected issues with your Garmin dashcam. This process restores the device to its default settings and clears any software glitches that might be preventing video recording. To begin the reset process, first power off your dash cam completely. Next, locate the reset button on your device. Refer to your user manual for the exact location as it varies by model. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. This action will initiate the reset process. Finally, power the dash cam back on. The device will restart with all settings restored to their factory defaults. This reset may resolve any software-related issues preventing your dash cam from recording video properly. If problems persist, consider checking other troubleshooting steps. If basic troubleshooting steps like checking the SD card, power supply, software updates, settings, and resetting the device haven't resolved the recording issue, the problem may be hardware-related. Garmin provides diagnostic tools to identify these faults. Hardware issues can include lens obstructions, such as dirt or smudges blocking the camera view, internal damage from drops or impacts, or sensor malfunctions like overheating detectors. To diagnose these, use Garmin's diagnostic tools available in the Garmin Drive app or on their website. Access the app on your smartphone and select your dashcam model. The diagnostic tool will scan for faults like lens issues, internal components, or sensor problems. It may prompt you to clean the lens or suggest repairs. If diagnostics confirm a hardware malfunction or you're unsure, contact Garmin support. Prepare details like your device model, current firmware version, and all troubleshooting steps you've tried. Dashcam technology is evolving rapidly with exciting new features. AI-driven features enable automatic incident detection. Modern dashcams use artificial intelligence to recognize and highlight objects such as vehicles and traffic lights in real time. Cloud-based storage provides seamless video uploads. Dashcams can now automatically back up footage to the cloud, ensuring your recordings are safe and accessible anywhere. Eco-friendly designs feature solar-assisted power. Built-in solar panels help recharge the device, reducing battery drain and making parking mode more sustainable. Data privacy is enhanced with end-to-end encryption. Cloud storage now uses advanced security to protect your videos, making sharing and storage safer than ever. Consider upgrading to a more advanced dashcam. These new features offer improved reliability with automatic recording triggers and convenient cloud backup, keeping your driving footage secure and accessible.